Hey there. How's this for some behind the scenes Just Ask Share life? Right now, I've been working on this video actually for about, I don't know, 3 weeks now. And as my deadline is approaching, I'm like, oh my gosh, once again, I'm not going to get this done. But I could not allow another Thursday to pass without publishing content that I think matters. And so today I wanted to share just a little bit about my journey and the lessons that I'm learning. Because I've been working on these videos for a while and they've been doing their job. They've been getting me opportunities. They have been connecting me to some amazing people that I've been collaborating with. And they've also been getting me clients. So yay for DIY, yay, it worked. But here's what I'm recognizing, or here's what I always knew, but sometimes there's no choice. You got to do what you can with what you've got. And so sometimes you do have to DIY. Most times to start, that's the way it's going to go. But you have to understand and recognize when DIY becomes DOA, dead on arrival, because you're taking too long. And that's what's happening with me. So one of the interesting things that happened along the way of creating these videos is I got connected to an incredible, like I mean incredible producer. And I called him today and I was like, Brian, let me tell you, I'm struggling right here with my Just Ask Share videos and I need your help. I'm waving the white flag. So if this were a cartoon, I'd be that cartoon waving that surrender flag because I just can't do it anymore. I am not an editor, even though I know how to edit. I'm not a camera person. And then, yeah, I've been shooting my own stuff, but if I want to grow, I need people who are good at what they do so I can focus on being good at what I do. And the interesting thing is my mentor and friend, Paul C. Brunson, he told me this in December. He's like, Cher, you have to focus on your talent. And that is how you will expand. You can't be doing it all. You need a team to grow. And so that's where I'm at right now, is recognizing when to stop the DIY, because like I said, sometimes you have to do it. It is what it is. And recognizing when you are going to invest in the next level to level up. So that's where I'm at right now. Just As Share is going to have a new look. And we've already booked our first session to go and record and shoot and have fun and test this out. And I'm also excited about the other project that we're working on, which is going to be super cool. I'll keep you posted on that. But I figured I could finish this video and now I'm just like, no, I'm not going to do that. But I did want to share this moment with you and encourage you to work with what you have and then build on it as the opportunities come to you. Recognize at the point where there is the sacrifice, but you're able to make the sacrifice and move up to the next level. So that's what I'm doing. I just want to share that. And thank you for taking this time just to watch as I share my journey with you. And of course, in these videos, if you have questions about just this journey, about social media, about personal branding and how you can leverage websites like, or networks like LinkedIn and Instagram or wherever else you are, Twitter, anywhere else, all you need to do is just share. So thank you for watching and look forward to showing you a whole new look of Just Share. Talk to you soon. Bye. Whoops.